Meaning of dissenter.
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 Dissenter. The term dissenter refers to someone who disagrees with or opposes an established belief, doctrine, or political system. Dissenters may express their disagreement in various forms, such as speech, writing, or action. The result of dissent may vary, depending on the context and the response of those in power. In some cases, dissent may lead to positive change, such as progress in civil rights or freedom of expression. However, dissenters may also face consequences, such as ostracism, persecution, or even punishment. Ultimately, the impact of dissent depends on the courage and determination of those who engage in it.